The misunderstanding at work.
Morning in the office.
Hey, Emma, did you send the report to the manager yesterday?
Not yet. I was waiting for your part.
My part? I thought you already had it.
No, you said you would finish it in the morning.
Oh, I must have misunderstood. I thought you were doing it.
That's okay, but now the manager is waiting and we're both late.
Great, that's not a good start for the day.
Don't worry, let's just finish it now and send it together.
The argument grows.
I feel like this always happens. We keep having communication problems.
Maybe because we both assume the other person will do things.
True, but yesterday you said, I'll handle it.
I meant I'll handle the email, not the report.
Okay, that makes more sense now.
We just need to be clearer next time.
You're right. I was stressed and probably didn't listen carefully.
Happens to all of us.
Trying to fix things.
What if we make a shared list of tasks? That way we both know who does what.
That's a great idea. We can use Google Docs for that.
Perfect. I'll start the list after lunch.
Thanks, Tom. And I'll make sure to double-check our emails before sending anything next time.
Deal. No more confusion.
Agreed. Teamwork makes everything easier.
Later that day.
You know, I was upset at first this morning, but I'm glad we talked.
Same here. I didn't want this small thing to ruin our teamwork.
Communication really is everything at work.
And patience, too. I need more of that.
And don't we all? Anyway, the report is done and the manager liked it.
Really? That's great news.
Yep, so problem solved.
Friendly ending.
Thanks for being patient with me, Emma.
No problem. We all make mistakes. What matters is that we fix them.
Well said. Coffee break?
Absolutely. I need one after all this drama.
Let's go.